I've just done a workshop here at Woodford with Tom, Rob, and blown away. This man is bringing so much beautiful intentional work to the world, where we can really just drop in and hold ourselves accountable, hold each other accountable, and make a better humanity. I wanted to just shout out to this beautiful man for doing the work and stepping up as a beautiful man to honour women but honour humans. So if you get a chance, go and see him. He's incredible. Highly resonate with his work.
Stepped out of a workshop with Tom Rob. Got so much out of it, and it's particularly on point. His messaging for a male living in an Australian society in their early 40s, trying to work out where things are going, where things are at, and extremely valuable for me. And I'm sure it won't be the last workshop that I do with Tom.